Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add new location on Google Maps. Now let's search for a great place where we can do this. So let's see, I live here in this neighborhood here, and right here is a children gardens here at the Veldersdoornlaan. Then I'm holding my pin just right here and I scroll down and click on add a missing place. Then from here we search, we give this a name like children garden, and the category of this is outdoors and then garden. Then right now we can do located within. Now this is in Amstelveen, so this is fine. And now if we do Submit, he will send this location to Google Maps, and when they accept this location, they will add this to the map. So this is exactly how you can add new locations on Google Maps. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.